It is early morning. Well, not early morning. It is 8 a.m., but it is hot as F already. But let's get this cold start real quick. Oh, yeah. Damn, lighting is bad. Alright, guys. I just arrived at Sonkai Blues Cars and Coffee right now. But your boy is watching church right now, so I was about to finish it, but it finishes at 9:30. It is 9:05. I beat D here. I was supposed to meet him, but we'll go take a walk right now, see what's up. We'll probably start from that end and then just work our way over there to the main area. Let's get it. It's hot too, bro. It is hot. But then right off the bat, the Supra, got to park it next to the RX-7, you feel me? Had to, bro, I had to. Then we got a Honda. More Hondeezis. We got a Supra pulling up, nice, nice. Like a lot of Hondas. Sonkai Blue has like a lot of JDM following. So that's why you can see like all the Integras, the Hondas. Then we got a Z. Damn, this color is really nice. Sheesh. Damn. My fault, pimp. This thing is really clean. The S2000 as well on the BBSs. Damn, this color makes me really want to go back to blue, bro. Damn. The Pontiac, GTO. All right. Yeah, but this thing's sick, bro. Makes me really want to take off my wrap and go back to blue. I want those BBSs though. BBSs too on the M2. Those are probably my second dream wheels. I already have my dream wheels, the Workmeisters, but I think BBSs would be the next dream wheels that I would want to go for. Got a C7? Oh, C6, I'm sorry. C6 right here. All right. Nice. I think it's a Grand Sport. Yep, Grand Sport. I knew it. Yeah, nice. And then we got a Type R. Two Type Rs, I mean. Clean, championship white, and I don't know this color. Dude, I remember back, I wanted one of these so bad. I wanted one. I was gonna get like the TRD version that they had, but dude, I think they wanted like 60,000 for that car, and I was like, yeah, nah, I'm good. I'm not doing that. 60K, bro. I think it was like 65 at that, and then not plus the taxes and everything. You're looking at like 75 out the door for a FRS. Tripping. We got the Carrera 4S. I don't know what the 4S means, but it's very clean. I like it. Damn, those wheels are nice, and I believe those are stocks too. Interior is mint. Damn, all the red stitching, red interior seat belts, the strap. This is nice. This is really clean, bro. S2000, and the E46. Yeah, that shit is nice. Oh. Yeah, that shit's nice. There's a lot of S2000s here. I'll give you that. R34, nice. I wonder where's D, bro. Did he let him inside? I wouldn't doubt it, bro. I wouldn't doubt it. Type S. Damn, look at this, man. The CTSV. I need me one of these, man. Those wheels are tough. America. Tinted ass window. The M3. Or, yeah, M3. Nice. On the T's. I like. The C10 though, bro, the C10. I mean, I'm a single cab type of guy, but the 4 doors is pretty baller too. Shit. Color's nice. The C notch that they did, I'm pretty sure it's bagged. Damn. This thing is really nice. Look at the interior. Matches the paint. This color is really nice too. I mean, I would have, me personally, done a cherry red, but this thing is beautiful. Z06, MK4 Supra. I like the black with carbon and then that highlighter green. Damn, a Viper? An old school Viper? This is pretty sick. What the hell? I remember as a kid, I really liked this car like so much. I thought it was so sick. Still is sick. And damn, bro, this shit fooled me for a second. I thought it was a Countach or something. Dead ass. It almost gave me that like look. I don't know what kind of car this is, but this shit's sick. Literally thought it was a Countach. But nope, I was wrong. And then you come inside the garage, this beautiful buggy. This color is sick. A Volkswagen, it is nice. Another Volkswagen. Damn, these things are sick, bro. These things are mint, I'm not even gonna lie. I love that color and I love this color. Two great color choices. And then you got his collection back here. The Z, NSX, Hako. Porsche. And I don't know what's behind that one over there. But let's go check out the America muscles. There's a lot of America here. This, another C10 truck. This thing's sick. Garage built. Alright. This thing's also sick. Fuck, Camaro SS. The color on this is really clean too. Very nice. Same thing with this one right here. The red Mustang. Shit, there's a lot of old school here. And then you come on this side. You got all the Euro and JDM, the E46 on the BBSs. Yeah, this guy's rich. We got like the unlimited money glitch. Another Honda. This is also nice. I like. Oh, the Z. I see you, Janet. I see you. I wonder where D at. I still have yet to see his ass. Couple of race cars. I see you, fools. More Hondizis. All right. Damn, what's chopping over there, bro? I mean, the NSX. Whoo! The Viper. America. This color is also really nice on the MR2. Almost gives me like matcha vibes, like a matcha green. Nice, okay, with the carbon hood. I like those wheels, the works. The work emotions, those are clean. And then the blow-off valve. Yeah, this color's sick, bro. I really like this color. Matcha green, huh? All right, another Supra. Is that F82? Then the Sylvia. Yeah, I want one, bro. I need one in the fleet. S15. I definitely need one in the fleet so bad. Damn, they got a ZR1 right here. All right. Then the Porsche race car. This thing's sick. Then the McLaren 675 LT. Ooh, I would love one of these right here. 65 LT for sure. They got a Performante, Huracan, 720S. Damn, that shit's sick. The orange, NSX, Hondizi, another NSX. Sheesh. I believe this is a Mazda, yeah. RX-7. Damn, we got an LS in here? Oh shit. Or I'm just tripping, I don't know my motors. But the NSX, this one, very sick. Even has a titanium strut bar in the middle right here. This thing's like literally insane, bro. Got probably everything done to it. Look at this thing. Damn. But I love me a good NSX, man. This thing is very nice. Sinister. Everyone knows this NSX. Like if you don't know it, you're sleeping under a rock, but everybody knows this NSX. I think Deb's here with their Tangy. Wow. We got a Aventador, another Viper in the front. And that blue on the Aventador is so nice. Oh, what a cute doggy. Fool took off and didn't even say nothing. Literally watched him drive off. Game on, Alex. Damn, Alex left. What a savage. All right. Alex is too cool for the school now. I didn't even see him leave. Yeah, that shit's sick. 720S. That orange just hits. Shit. Very nice. Damn, bro, it's getting hot. I'm just standing here and I'm sweating. Yo, so I just was looking at this and apparently this is a Honda. Didn't know that. I didn't even know they had a Euro R. But yeah, this is kind of a little gem right here. Even got like the little fender flares too. Gives it that wide body look. And then you can even tell the Honda Accord vibes in the rear. Yeah, this thing's pretty sick. We got some coffee. I found D. Yes, sir. But yeah, this thing's nice. Thought I'd show y'all. I don't know if you guys ever seen the Euro R, but it's just baller. Gives me chaser vibes from the front though, but it's sick. First time ever seen one myself, if I'm being honest. But it's nice, it's clean. I dig it. All right, so we've officially left the meet. It was cool, you know, not too bad, but it is just hot, bro. Like the sun's not even out, but the UVs are as strong as F. And just walking around and just standing around, like had me sweating, bro. I'm like, damn. Yeah, we decided to call it. And yeah, the homie D, obviously, and the Supra. There it is, sheesh. Bro, crazy license plate. You should see his truck's license plate. Even crazy. check out this 4GT, bro. That thing is clean. Things like my spec, my color. Let's see if we can get it again. That thing is nice. Look at that shit. Damn, that's just sick. He got the Mexico plates too, I think. What a guy. Man, look at this thing, bro. That shit is sick. Dude, that color is nice too. He did like an off-white. I wonder if that's paint or a wrap, but dude, that shit looks good. Not even gonna lie to you. Bruh, that was insane. I did not expect to see a 4GT, and that color spec was amazing, bro. Damn, I think if I had a 4GT, that's the color spec I would have gone with too. Like that off-white, championship white, it just looks so good. I ended up turning into like a car meet, bro, because it was me, D, then the 4GT, then there was a Porsche 911, then there was an M3, then there was an M2. I was like, bro, what the fuck? Everyone just started coming out of nowhere. It was crazy. Oh, I wonder where they're going. I feel like they're probably going to that old road. I don't know what it's called. I've never been there, but I feel like that's where they're going. But dude, that was sick. It was a nice little cruise on the freeway. All right, so we is back home, and if you guys have been following the channel for a minute, you guys know I always have an issue with this headlight. Well, today it happened again. You guys can see it is very dim, and then this side is on, of course, and it's because a while ago when I was wrapping the car, we accidentally pinched the wire to this harness for this light, so it like messes up here and there. Sometimes I'll get it and it's working perfectly fine and it won't mess up, but after I think like a month and a half, it finally kind of like started, the wire probably moved around and it got messed up. So I'm gonna have to try and tackle this little issue right now, see if I can move the wire again and get in a comfortable spot where it doesn't turn off. And yeah, my camera's on crack. I don't know what the hell just happened. It just literally ended that clip. But yeah, I'm gonna try to tackle this issue, see if I can fix it, whatever. If not, fuck. But the goal is to try to fix this issue right now while I got time. It's hot, but I got some time. And just like that, we got it working again. So we fixed it. I literally gotta like remove the bumper, lift up the headlight, and try to like, I put this in and try to mess with the wiring, just kind of push in a spot where it's like pretty much comfortable. And yeah, thankfully I didn't have to sit here too long and I got it working again. So we are chilling. But this is just a temporary fix. I really need Aaron to solder the wires and like reconnect them or do them properly. You know what I mean. All my wiring engineers and all that. You guys know what the dealio is with this, but yeah. At least it's working now, so we don't gotta worry about that.
I hate a bitch that's hating on the bitch and they both hoes. I hate a nigga hating on them niggas and they both broke. If you ain't coming for no chili, what you come for? Nigga feel like he entitled cause he knew me since a kid.